Hi guys, what's up YouTube? You already know the vibe. My name still remains Erico City and I am a professional forex trader, right? So in today's video is to update you guys on my first week of trading the 5k Profem challenge that I announced in my previous video, right? So before I show you guys on how I fared this week, I already took one trade before I did the recording to announce the 5k Profem challenge that I was going to do here on YouTube. I wouldn't be going too much into details, but I will be sharing the screenshots on how that particular trade went. So what that means is I was already in drawdown before I started the 5k challenge, the 5k Profem challenge, right? So without talking too much, let's check out how my trading week went.
This is what I am currently looking at on gold. So if I check from the daily, we have consecutive bearish candlestick, and from 1 hour time frame we are forming lower highs and lower lows. So what I am looking to see is, since we had this low, we had this high, we created a low, high, then a low. So this is a pullback. Now if I am to look out for buying opportunity, then that means I'll be looking for price to break past this high here, then come back, maybe give us a deeper retracement or somewhere around here, pulls back, then continue upward. But since price is yet to break out, take out this high, and it's still playing around this place, then I will be looking for selling opportunity. Now if I look at structure from this minor time frame as well, you see we have a high, we have a low, we have a high, another low, another high here, another low, another high. So price just broke this previous low. Price just broke out from, just changed, we just had a change of structure right here. So I'll be looking for a potential pullback, then find an entry, and this will be my TP target. This will be my TP target. So if it goes below this low, then I'll be looking to continue the sell, but this is going to be my TP target. So since we'll have a change of structure, I'll be looking forward to a minor pullback, since the structure is a minor one. And okay, you see we also have a divergence here. So this is the first thing I am looking forward to. Now we have a change of structure here, which is the second thing I am looking forward to. So the next thing I am waiting for now is to get a pullback. Then after the pullback, I'll start looking for my entry criteria. But right now it's not showing me a stopping point where I can actually put my Fibonacci, plot my Fibonacci from swing high to swing low. So that is what I am patiently waiting for right now. So once I'm able to get that, then I'll start looking for any of my 3 entry criteria. So the first one is engulfing candle, the second one is weak exhaustion, and the third one will be change of structure on the maybe like 1 minute time frame. So that is what I am patiently waiting for. So I will update you guys shortly. Okay guys, so here is the update on the gold trade I said I was looking forward to. So like I said earlier, we had divergence here. Let me pull out my RSI. Yeah, you can see that from RSI perspective here, we are creating lower highs and lower low, while from price action we are getting higher lows and higher highs. So it means that there is going to be a potential reversal in the market, right? So to confirm that, we had a change of structure right here, you can see it. So after giving us this, then price broke. So I had to put my fee from point A to point B, just to get that pullback. And right here on the 15 minutes, I got one of my criteria, which is weak exhaustion, right? So we had this first one, the second one. So the moment it closed right there, and we also had this change of structure on on the 1 minute time frame. We had this change of structure here and it broke, so I believe it's coming around here before it finally drops. But PPI news is dropping, I think 130, and it's currently 123. So let's see how it goes. But yes, I'm currently in the trade, and however it goes, I will update you. All right, guys. So updates on this gold trade that I took. So right now we are currently okay. I executed the trade, I think 1 p.m. and if you check, it is currently 2:31. That's, let's say, 1 hour 30 minutes already gone. And the moment I executed this trade from this very place, it's put me into profit. Then it started gallivanting around this place, then pushed back to my entry price. But me looking at structure, I found out that I'm still in the right structure. Then that is even the reason why I stayed in this very trade. And now you can see that it's pushing down. So I said, let me just update you guys on how it's going.
Okay, guys, so this is the update on the trade I took on Thursday, and if you check, the time now is currently 11:08 p.m., meaning that I missed out on recording the before and after, but I still have to record this because, as I promised in my previous video, I'll be updating you guys both the wins, the losses, the challenges, and all of that. So yeah, that is what I am doing right here. So about the trade I took on Thursday after coming off a winning trade on Wednesday. So right here, this was the reason I ended this. I was targeting a 200 pips on that Wednesday trade, but as price started giving this weak rejection around this support level, I was forced to take profits that ended in, I think, somewhere around 115, 16 ish pips, right? Then price went all the way up, taking out this high. He took out this high, he took out this high. Then after that happened, I was expecting price to at least give us some form of pullback to this level of this high that he took out. Respect somewhere around here or give us a deeper retracement, then before giving us some form of confirmation, then I'll start looking for buys. But what happened? It kept trickling all the way down, even forming divergence of the 5 minutes. As you can see, I have this one drawn here and here, but I can't do anything until I get a change of structure. But since I wasn't getting that, so I didn't do anything. I was just observing then, not until price aggressively broke this zone, meaning that the same the same low that created this high now price came all the way down to take it out. Then that was when my bias changed. I was initially looking for a buying opportunity, but the moment this happened, my bias changed. Now, the first entry I took here was on the 5 minutes time frame. That was where I got my confirmation and engulfing candle because I was expecting a retest rather to this zone, give me some form of candlestick pattern, some confirmation like that, one of my criteria, then I will execute. So the first attempt was a loss. I had to chill for a while. Then on the 15-minute time frame, which is this where we currently at, here on the 15 minutes, we started having this rejection. Price was rejecting this zone, then also gave me a bearish engulfing candlestick. The moment I executed, price went all the way up and stopped me out for the second time that same Thursday. So, and that was just it for the week. Okay, so this is the 5% dashboard. This is the dashboard. And I have to clarify something here. So before I recorded my previous video that I announced I was going to be having. I was going to be doing a 5K Profem challenge. I already took one trade with two positions and I lost that trade. So the next trade I took was on Wednesday, and you can clearly see that the first trade that I took was on the 10th of July, and the both of them, like I said earlier, ended in loss. Now the second trade was July 16th, two positions as well. It was July 16th, and yeah, that was the trade that gave me a win. Put together, it was 100, I think 150, 16 ish, thereabouts. Right, then after that, I took another trade, two positions as well. It was also a sell, but it was a losing trade. Unfortunately, it was a losing trade. Then I attempted that same setup for the second time, which is these two guys here, and it also ended in a loss. So, and if we go up a bit, you can see, yeah, my equity, my current equity right now, balance right now. So I am negative $38. I am negative $38. Same thing right here. Okay, this is my profit. This is supposed to be my profit target. Then this is supposed to be overall drawdown. This is my daily loss. Then profitable day. So on the trade I won on Wednesday gave me my first profitable day. So I think we still have two left, but we are currently in drawdown with 38 negative $38, right? So hopefully going into the new week, it's going to be a better one. Yes, most definitely. I hope you guys have seen how I performed in my first week of the 5K Profem challenge that I announced last week, right? So I ended up taking two trades this week. It would have been three anyways, but I missed out on Tuesday trade. So then on Wednesday was a win, 100 plus pips thereabout. Then on Thursday, I took another one and it was a loss on two attempts, wiping the profits I made the previous day. But evaluating the whole thing, I think I ended the week in $13 profit. So I'm super grateful for that. I'm not gonna lie, even though it's not what you guys want to see, it's not what you expect. But yes, it's a win for me, and I'm super grateful for that. Yeah, I've learned my lessons both for the wins and the losses, and I promise you guys I will be 100% transparent here, showing you guys once again the wins, the losses, the challenges, and all of that good stuff. I'm super optimistic about that. I am confident going into the new week that it's going to be a profitable one. With that being said, I hope to see you guys in the next video, the week 2 update. Right? Do not forget to like and subscribe to this channel. Turn on the notification bell so you get notified whenever I drop something new. Right? Also, feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section. What do you think about my trading style? What do you think I did right or wrong? Kindly share it in the comment section. Even the way I am recording the challenge, is it appealing or is there something I need to improve on? Feel free to share your comments. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section. Until next time, let's grind, let's grow, let's fly, and let's elevate. Peace.